how would you describe Emerson's core business? Is it looking for the project markets or is it day-to-day sales?
Well, actually, we focus on both. We invest in key account management, so we work very closely with major end users around the world. This helps us understand the best fit technology for their applications. We have a global project pursuit team that is in place to track and pursue major projects, primarily with FEED and EPC engineering companies. And then we're continuously investing in our local sales organisations, because those are the businesses that support the local valve maker, the skid vendor. And those are the organisations that drive our day-to-day business also. So in short, I would say we focus on both pieces.
Now let me put you on the spot a moment and let's talk about money. Are you happy with turnover so far this year, or are you a little bit down?
We're having a great year. Our bookings are actually up by 28% this time last year. So we're having a really fabulous year, and the market is continuing to hold up very, very well.
Would you agree that the evolution of actuators has reached a kind of a plateau and all new innovation is going to take place in the communications areas?
Not entirely. As the major oil and gas companies continue to expand and develop more into unconventional fields, that challenges the industry. Challenges the industry for more compact, lighter actuators that will withstand extreme temperatures, both cold and hot. So I don't think the core technology is plateaued at all. I would also agree, though, that the technology is developing in communications. For example, wireless is becoming very popular, and the intelligent field generally is becoming more and more of a technology that we should be moving into.
Now, if we look at your customer base for a moment, would you say that there's such a thing as a typical customer for Emerson?
I would say there are three groups of typical customers: the end user, the contractor, the engineering companies, and then, of course, the valve makers.
And if we look at all these customers, are you competing on price or technology to get their business?
Well, we're supplying safety-critical equipment. We're supplying actuators that make a plant safe in the event of an emergency shutdown. We're supplying actuators that keep the process producing, keep the output flowing. So it's really not all about price. Clearly, different buyers have different motivators. Some are motivated purely by price, some are motivated by technology and solving problems.
Okay, you said solving problems. What kind of product would you like to add to your portfolio?
We are investing a lot in product development right now. We're working on different technologies around partial stroking in hydraulics. We're working very closely with our electronics team and developing our electric actuator product range. So we've actually got lots of different developments going on right now that personally I'm very excited about, because it's going to solve customers' pain and give our sales organisation a lot more products and some very interesting products to sell.